Imagine a future with clean and silent cars. Imagine electric cars with the power to keep us moving, giving us freedom. Imagine cars that run on renewable energy, assuring sustainability. Building a more sustainable future is not child's play. The electric car, part of a sustainable future. It's closer than you think.